B.R. Shetty's story is one of rags to riches, followed by a dramatic fall from grace. Early life and career. Bhava Gutu Raghuram Shetty was born in 1942 in Udupi, Karnataka, India. He grew up in a modest family and had to work multiple jobs to support his education. After completing his pharmacy degree, Shetty moved to the United Arab Emirates, UAE, in 1973 to work as a pharmacist. Founding of NMC Health. In 1975, Shetty founded New Medical Center, NMC, in Abu Dhabi, UAE, with a modest investment of $2,500. Over the years, NMC grew into a leading healthcare provider in the UAE, with a network of hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies. Expansion and growth. Shetty expanded his business empire by founding other companies, including Finabler, a financial services company that provided foreign exchange, payment solutions, and other financial services. Neopharma, a pharmaceutical company that manufactured and distributed pharmaceutical products. NMC Trading, a trading company that imported and distributed medical equipment, pharmaceuticals, and other healthcare products. Rise to prominence. Shetty's business acumen and strategic investments helped him build a vast fortune. He became one of the richest Indians in the Middle East, with an estimated net worth of $3 billion. He was featured in Forbes' annual list of billionaires and was recognized for his contributions to the healthcare and business sectors, nearing building regulated for billions themselves. However, Shetty's fortunes took a dramatic turn in 2019 when 1. Muddy Waters Research, a short-selling firm, accused Shetty's company, NMC Health, of financial misrepresentations, including overstating its cash balances and understating its debt. 2. Investigations and lawsuits. Regulatory authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and the UAE's Securities and Commodities Authority, SCA, launched investigations into NMC Health's financial dealings. Shetty and his companies faced multiple lawsuits from creditors and investors. Collapse of business empire. The allegations and investigations led to a sharp decline in NMC Health's stock value, and the company was eventually placed into administration. Shetty's other companies, including Finabler and Neopharma, also faced financial difficulties, and he was forced to step down as chairman. Sale of NMC Health. In 2020, Shetty sold NMC Health to an Israeli-UAE consortium for a mere 74 rupees, approximately $1 meetings, a fraction of its former value. This marked a stunning fall from grace for the once wealthy businessman. Legacy. Shetty's story serves as a cautionary tale about the risks and uncertainties of business and the importance of ethical integrity. While he built a vast fortune through his entrepreneurial ventures, his downfall was equally dramatic, highlighting the importance of transparency, accountability, and good governance in business.